If the control map value at tab 0 is the pair if true, then either the if test or one of the previous elif tests is true. So Python skips the elif statement and body. Let's study an example. Python first evaluates the if test at line 1. 7 is equal to 7, so the if test is true. Thus, Python stores the pair if true in the control map. Current line is 3 and the current tab is 0. And the statement at line 3 tab 0 is elif 3 equal 3. Since the if test is true, Python skips the elif test and body. Python also skips line 6 for the same reason. At the conclusion of the program, there is one variable a which contains 7. In general, if the Python state at time t is as follows, where line is I, tab is j, and the control map is cm, and the expression stack is empty, and the statement at line I, tab j is an elif statement, and the value at j in map cm is the pair if true, then at time t plus 1, the Python state is as follows. Line is increased by 1, and the tab stays the same.